Hello everyone, it's Geraldine from Feline Family. It's another rainy day since last night and I think it's going to carry on tomorrow as well. Babies are all dry, they prefer to be on the stage, and I've refreshed their food and water. The room is great, no leaking anything, everything's dry. And the weather's quite warm, the air is quite warm, so that's great. That really is great. It's Johnny and Stevie. Mikey would be frothing. Hello Mikey. Boys are good. Okay. Had your kitten biscuits with Vita Kelp. Hey Johnny John. Yeah. And Stevie. Stevie with these. It's Mikey Wicky. Eh? They're warm and dry. That's okay. Okay, so, yep, finished. Definitely like the kitten biscuits. So no wet food today, but they got their kitten biscuits with Vita Kelp. There's the Vita Kelp powder. It's quite cool. Okay, so we obviously can't go for any walks today. So it's playtime for enrichment. Okay? Stevie! Stevie! Stevie is occupied. That's fine. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. What'd you find? Yeah. Come, Stevie. You've got a good grip on that. Yeah. You got a good grip there, my love. So yeah, look at those big paws. Look at those big paws. Nope, I just want to chill. Okay. Hey, you lover. You good boy. Hey, extra kisses for Mikey. Hey, yeah. What's got you there?